what makes us completely different. And that's really what I spend my time thinking about, what makes us completely different. And in all honesty, 99.9% of every janitorial company focuses on the commoditization of cleaning. They focus on the act of cleaning itself. Now, of course, we have to focus on cleaning. That's the business that we're in. But that's not what we spend our time thinking about. We spend our time thinking about how can we create lasting partnerships with the people we serve? How can we create lasting partnerships with our customers? How can we create lasting partnerships with our associates? And when we do that, when we make that our focus, that's what puts turnover down. That's what puts our customers first. That's what allows us to disrupt the industry completely, is making our focus on the partnerships, not the focus on the act of cleaning. Because we can train anyone in an hour on how to clean, but we can't find people that don't have shared values. And if they don't have shared values, we don't have a partnership. We don't have partnership, we have divorce, we have separation, we have breakup, we have all those typical words that you associate with a cleaning company instead.